Hi, wow, I have a great product for you today. This is the Morphy Richards Supervac 2-in-1 cordless, bagless, upright vacuum cleaner. Now, this vacuum cleaner will actually put the fun back into vacuuming. First of all, as you can see, it's cordless, so it's a pleasure to use. Not very noisy either. Not having a plug is an amazing feature. It seems like a ridiculous thing to have to keep plugging it in, taking it out, but it makes a big difference. You have a few crumbs, you just grab this little vacuum, 1, 2, 3, and it's done. Now I'll show you, it's also very, very lightweight, so it's great for dragging around the house. As you saw, this button turns it on, just push it in. Another amazing feature, if you don't have room to store, just depress this button and your handle collapses, so it will fit under a staircase, lots of small little areas. That is amazing. Also, if you push on a button here, this piece comes out. Now, this is a great little carpet sweeper. Also, there are attachments which fit on this charger, which I'll show you in a minute, but you have 3 pieces and they just fit in like so. So you have this piece, which is for upholstery, carpet, furniture. You can do blinds. You have this piece, or you have this piece, which is for corners and places that you can't get into so easily. So that is great. You have 3 little attachments. Now, another great feature is there is no bag. Just push that button, opens up, take this out, and your dust and all the dirt is there. Dump it in the bin. You can unscrew this and clean in there. Put it back on. That's it. No cost, no expense. To me, that's great. Now, this stays charged for quite a few days. Obviously, it depends how much you use it, but this is the charger. All you do is I keep it plugged in. When I'm finished, I just put it on, leave it, and it's charging. It takes 5 hours for a full charge, so you can do it at night, which means the vacuum will always be ready to go whenever you want. I think it is a fantastic thing. The only thing you have to be careful about sometimes is if you don't put it up carefully, it does fall back on you because it's quite heavy because of this piece. But as long as you're aware of it, it's a great little vacuum. I actually love it.